Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the 14th elf on the Bloxburg elf hunt. So you're just going to go up the road here to go to the gas station that is up here. I actually don't remember where it is. I think it's there, but a little bit more forward. It's next to the campsite. I'm just trying to go do this. Okay, the car is taking quite a long time. I'm just trying to go as fast as I can here. And I think we're almost there. The elf is in the gas station. It's behind the store clerk. Okay, it's not that one. That's the sleigh thing majiggy. We're almost there. It's on the left. I can feel it. I think I took the long way. Also, you'll need a bag of money. It's in your backpack. Okay, we're here. Okay, so I'm just gonna park here. Then I'm just gonna walk there. So it's, as you can see, behind the store clerk here. So if you go to your profile, go to your backpack and type in bag of money. You're going to select it and you're going to give it to the elf. If I can just, how do I give it? There we go. And that is it. You will earn 250 tickets-ish. That's the maximum, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!